Alright, I'm going to show you how to make an announcement to your class. You can see I'm inside of a class. I'm in teacher mode, so there are some units that I have hidden here from students. The first tab is the announcements tab, which has the announcements module in it, as well as the report card. All of your announcements will show up here for this class. If you put an announcement out, it will also show up on students' My Announcement modules on their home screen. All of their classes feed into this one announcement module. Only your class will show up in the classes module that I just showed you. Let me get back there really quick. Alright, so how to make an announcement. What you're going to do is you are going to scroll down on the left hand side of the screen to Class Tools. Click the down arrow. Click Announcements. You can see any announcement that you've already made here. Go ahead and click Create Announcement. And then you're going to give it a subject. I'm going to call this one Test. And down here you can insert pictures or anything you'd like. Usually announcements are just going to be some text, maybe a picture, probably not a video. You might want to put a link in there to tell kids they need to watch a certain video before they come to class. I'm just going to type in some gobbledygook. You can restrict the dates and have it displayed starting a certain date and ending a certain date. Completely up to you. Also, you have this option that I really enjoy. It sends a copy of that announcement to every student in your class's email that is listed on Blackboard. So if students don't check their school email daily, you might have them go in there and change their email address to where they get this and it's actually useful. Once you fill out all of this information, go ahead and hit Submit. And you'll see that it appears under the announcements and on the home screen of the class under announcements. As soon as it loads, there it is, Test. And students will be able to click on it. That's how you create an announcement.